In today's video, I'll show you how to remove the ConvertKit branding from your forms and landing pages quickly and easily. If you are aiming for a clean, professional look without the Powered by ConvertKit badge, this guide is for you. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to convertkit.com.org. Log in with your account credentials or sign up if you're new to the platform. Once you're in, head to your dashboard and from the left sidebar, select Landing Pages and Forms. Now choose the form or landing page where you want to remove the branding. Once it's open, look to the right hand side of the screen. You'll see a section labeled General Styles and just below it, Powered by Kit. Here's the key step. Simply untick the box that says Show Built with Kit badge. This removes the small ConvertKit logo that appears at the bottom of your form. Next, uncheck the Show Powered by link option right below it. Doing this ensures all ConvertKit branding disappears completely from your form or landing page. These changes take effect immediately. No need to save or publish again. Just refresh your page to confirm everything looks clean and professional. And that's it. You've successfully removed the ConvertKit branding, giving your forms and pages a polished, brand-focused appearance. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments below. I'll be happy to help.